Hey guys, what's up? Today let's do a repair for this phone. It's a Huawei P40 Lite. Screen replacement, nothing else. I think the phone is on, but there is no touch. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. See, now it's not working. Sometimes no response. So the customer cannot log into the phone because he can't punch the code. It's actually one of my regular customers' daughter's phone. I do have the screen, which comes complete LCD and touch screen. I will show you guys just now. This is the replacement screen. It's not, obviously it's not original. This is what I get. It's the guy says good quality, so fully it is. Okay, let me explain to you all, whoever is new to this type of work. This phone will open from the back, so this back cover must come out first. I'm going to put heat on it with heat gun and then remove the glue and remove the cover, obviously, and the screws will be somewhere here. We remove the screws, and then when the battery must come out. All these things when I do, I will make those that video on fast forward way, so the video doesn't get long. And then to remove the screen, I'm going to use again heat with the heat gun, and then make the glue soft and remove the panel. Okay, let's get on to it. Okay, let me explain to you guys why this screen is working, but touch, the screen doesn't have inside. It's a OLED screen, I believe. um, the screen is fine, but the touch is not working. The reason is the touch is cracked somewhere here, broken somewhere here, and this is the place where I think the touch connections, all the traces are coming from here. That's why this touch is not working, only because of this chip somewhere here. And I have my own personal phone is also, um, the finger touch doesn't work, but only my stick on my phone, it works. So I think I have the similar problem on my own phone. What I will do, guys, I need to clean this phone where the glues and stuff is gonna go. So I'm not gonna record that on all these places. I need to clean them, so when I put glue, the glue doesn't come off. So give me a moment, let me first clean that, then I will start recording again. I'll be back soon. Okay guys, it's clean both side. I left some of the double-sided tape that I'm gonna use it. There's no glue actually, we're gonna apply glue on it, and some places that I see there isn't any double-sided tape, we're just gonna put glues. Anyway, let's put the screen. Okay guys, we leave this for sometimes before I go further, right? Let's, I just want the glue to dry. Okay, guys, I left the screen under pressure with the clamps for about half an hour, but I want to finish putting everything back together, and then I'm gonna press with those clamps again the phone for probably overnight. So let me quickly put everything back together and the back panel, then we can. As you can see, the touch is working perfect. There's no issue with the touch anymore. So the phone is fixed, the screen is working 100%. Let me close the phone, which also gonna be a fast forward in the video. I will make it fast forward so it doesn't get too long. This is not going to be easy for me. I'm going to run some places double side. I think I should run here glue or double side tape. What do you guys think? When I was heating up this the back plate came off here very easily without even trying anything, just the heat. So there was no glue basically on this. Anyway, let's do it. Okay, the job is done. I'm going to leave these clamps overnight. They say the glue's website, or some people say 24 hours for the glue to cure, to dry. So I will leave it like this overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'll clean it up. There is some excess glue that I need to remove, otherwise it's not gonna feel nice in your hand, in the customer's hand. Yeah, I will end this video. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and share my channel's info to your people. I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, goodbye.